Today's topic is major abiotic factors. The factors which are the reason for the variation in physical and chemical conditions of different habitats means organisms living in different habitats, what are the reason for the variation of physical and chemical conditions. We have discussed that there are certain abiotic factors and the biotic factors which decide the survival of an organism and its adaptation in different types of habitats. And these factors are the abiotic or the non-living, or we can say the physical climatic factors. They are: number one, temperature, light, water and soil. And the biotic factors which are responsible for the different uh, habitats and different adaptations. These include pathogens, parasites and predators. We are going to start with abiotic factors. The first abiotic factor is temperature. Temperature is the most relevant environmental factor. Temperature on land, it varies seasonally, means the temperature is high during summers and it is less during the winters. As we move from the equator towards the poles, the temperature, it goes on decreasing. We have done in the geography classes, this is equator and there is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degree towards the north and south, and this is the North Pole and the South Pole. As we move from equator towards the poles, the temperature, it goes on decreasing, means at the poles. And as we move from plains to the mountain tops, the temperature, it goes on decreasing. The range of temperature is 0 to more than 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature is 0 or less than 0 can be seen on poles, and in tropical deserts the range of temperature can be seen above 50 degrees Celsius. In addition to that, there are certain unique habitats like thermal springs, and there are deep sea hydrothermal vents where the temperature is as high as 100 degrees Celsius. Organisms, they can survive there also. There are more examples like the mango trees. They cannot be grown in countries like Canada and Germany, and snow leopards, they are not seen in Kerala forest. Snow leopards, they are not seen in Kerala forest. And tuna fish, it is not caught beyond the tropical latitude oceans, beyond tropical latitude oceans. तो क्या रीज़न है इनका, these organisms, why the mango they are not found in Canada and Germany, why snow leopard cannot be seen in Kerala forest, and tuna fish is not found beyond the tropical latitude oceans. The answer lies in that the temperature which is required for their habitat is not found in these एरियाज. तो हमने क्या देखा टेम्परेचर में कि टेम्परेचर इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. एज वी मूव फ्रॉम इक्वेटर टूवर्ड्स द पोल्स द टेम्परेचर गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग, और इक्वेटर से पोल की तरफ जाएं और प्लेन से कहाँ माउंटेन्स की तरफ जाएं तो इन दोनों ही केसेस में जो है टेम्परेचर इट गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. द रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर लाइज between 0 to more than 50 degrees Celsius. 0 degree temperature or lesser is seen in poles, and 50 or more than 50, around 50 is seen in tropical deserts. And in some special habitats like thermal springs and deep sea hydrothermal vents, temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, yet it is habitat for several organisms. There are some more examples. Mangoes, they cannot be seen in these areas. तो ये इनका क्या रीज़न है कि for these organisms, इनके हैबिटेट के लिए, इनके सर्वाइवल के लिए अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर रेंज इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो दैट टेम्परेचर which is required for growing mango, that is not found in Canada and Germany. Snow leopards, they also survive in a very less temperature range which cannot be found in Kerala forest. So these are the reasons. Now the the organisms which can tolerate and survive in wide range of temperatures, these are called eurythermals. Organisms which can tolerate and survive in wide range of temperatures, these are called eurythermal. And the organisms which are restricted to a narrow range of temperature, जो उनको टेम्परेचर चाहिए बस उसी में ही सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीम्स दे कैन नॉट टॉलरेट, such organisms are called stenothermals. These are important definitions. So the organisms which can survive and tolerate in wide range of temperature, these are called eurythermals. And organisms, there is a vast majority of animals which can survive and tolerate a narrow range of temperature, and these are called stenothermals.